In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete saved jobs on Indeed. If you've been saving job listings while you browse and your list is starting to feel cluttered or some roles are no longer relevant, cleaning that up can make your job search a lot more focused and less overwhelming. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, start on your Indeed dashboard. This is the main page you see after signing into your account, where you can usually view things like your profile, resume, applications, and recommended jobs. From here, look for the section or menu item labeled My Jobs. Depending on your device or the version of the site you're using, this might appear in a top navigation bar, a side menu, or sometimes under an account or profile icon. Go ahead and click or tap My Jobs to open your personal job list. Once you're in the My Jobs area, you'll see different categories for the jobs you've interacted with. To focus specifically on the roles you've saved for later, navigate to the Save section. This is where Indeed stores all the job postings you bookmarked while browsing. If you've been saving a lot of listings, this section can grow quickly, so it's a good idea to tidy it up from time to time. Now, in the Saved section, scroll through your list and find the job you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm that this is a role you genuinely no longer want to track. Maybe the position is no longer available, it's not a good fit, or you've already applied and want to keep your saved list limited to new opportunities. Clicking into the job first can be helpful if you want to quickly review the details before deciding to remove it. When you're sure you want to remove a job from your saved list, look for the option labeled Unsave or Remove. This is usually displayed near the job title, alongside other actions like viewing or applying. On some devices, it may appear as a small icon or button, but it will be clearly connected to that specific job listing. Click or tap Unsave or Remove. As soon as you do this, the job should disappear from your saved list. You typically won't get a long confirmation message, it will just be removed right away. If it still appears, try refreshing the page to make sure the change has been applied. If you removed the wrong job by accident, you may be able to find it again by searching for the job title or the company name, as long as the posting is still active on the site. You can repeat this process for any other saved jobs you want to clear out. Open My Jobs from your dashboard, stay in the Saved section, choose a listing, and select Unsave or Remove. Going through your list every so often keeps it relevant and makes it easier to spot the roles you actually care about. That's all there is to it. By taking a minute to manage your saved jobs on Indeed, you'll keep your job search organized and make it much simpler to focus on the opportunities that matter most to you.